Good evening folks, welcome to Sham Tech Minds, welcome to my brand new video. So we were discussing about the topic know your strengths. Previously I spoke about technical, so I spoke about an experienced person or a lateral hire. So now I'm going to talk about skilled laborers. So what are skilled laborers here? When it comes to skilled laborers, there are hundreds of skills which is there in the market. Not only in UAE, but across the globe, there are hundreds of skilled laborers available. Say example, carpenter, plumber, electrician, AC technician. There are multiples of technical skilled people, skilled laborers or skilled people available in the market. Correct? Whatever skill you know, that is a skill. Okay, so let's talk about HVAC or an AC technician. So in my home country, when we say an AC technician, yes, we will be available only, there will be only one person who will be knowing about a split AC. He might be maybe knowing or maybe not. So it doesn't matter over there. If you know AC, yeah, he knows to repair everything. But when it comes to UAE market, no. There are multiple varieties of AC technicians here, HVAC technician, chilled AC technician, or normal split AC technician. So there are differences in technical skills here. So you should be very specialized in HVAC. What HVAC means, you should only be knowing HVAC, in depth of HVAC. When it comes to chilled, yeah, when the only chiller, when it comes to chiller, you should be knowing in depth of chiller. So these are the skills here. And when it comes to, this is about the AC. Now let comes to another other field, scaffolding. Now let comes to scaffolding. What is scaffolding? Scaffolding in our country, we don't we use wood as a scaffolding material. But here we have specialized material only for tools, only for scaffolding. There are certifications for scaffolding here. There are multiple for a scaffolding itself. It is a parallel building which where they construct. So that is how the differences are from our home country to UAE here. This is a skilled. They value, people here value about skill. They are skilled technician. They value about your safety. So the safety, health and safety, everything is valued here. It is not that, oh, you're a skilled technician, you will not be valued. No, everyone will be valued here. So this is the difference between a skilled technician. So that is what I was explaining. When you are knowing something, that skills we need to highlight. You need to know your strengths. You need to highlight your strengths. This is my strength. I'm a scaffolder. I'm a certified scaffolder. I know how to do scaffolding. Now, what is the cup lock system? All those things will come into matter when you know scaffolding, or when you are a skilled person. So when it comes to carpenter, so carpenter is also another skilled category. So you have this joinery carpenter, you have this furniture carpenter, you have finishing carpenter. So there are, and ceiling carpenter. There are a lot of varieties of carpenters which is available. You should be specialized in one particular skill. That is your strength. What is your strength? Your strength will be joinery. Your skill will be interior decor. So you should know how to use AutoCAD. Maybe no, you should know how to use tools, specialized tools for that. So these are the strengths which you would want to know. You need to highlight your strength. You need to speak out about your strength. You need to shout that this is my strength, this is my strength. So this is how people will get to know, yes, this particular person has this particular strength, let me use him. Because here every strength matters, every skill matters here. Every skill matters here. So alright guys, and I would like to even say one more thing. I would like to take a live session on CV writing and soft skills. Interested people, please do leave a comment that if you are interested, I will be taking a live session on how to write your CV, how to build your CV, and what are the soft skills which you would need here. So I'll be taking a live session. Okay, and it will be a Q&A session. You can ask me questions. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. All right. So thanks for watching Sham Tech Minds. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.